Hi, today I want to show you some code that I made some times ago, and I already posted, but I want to change this exercise, and it used a Tkinter. Let me delete something here, um, and uh, and okay, and let me show you what it does. This generates 10 different sentences here that are randomly changed in some parts. So we got a template here, you can see here, and what happens here is that let me okay, we wanted to generalize this so that we can use it more time, but for now let's leave it in this simple way so that it's first we want to understand what it is, and then we want to generalize it, and and let me write in the right way. um, okay, here I need a space here if you want to stay in the pep rules, and this is too long. And let me leave it for now like this. There is this missing space here. And what else now? This now is too long. Okay. Uh, Pep 8. And D2. Continuing line indentation. Generally suggest prefer parentheses over continuation lines. Parentheses. So template string equal. Okay, now it's better this way. So I want to change this to um, um, how many dollars you can get for 100 euros at a euro slash US dollar of 1.10. So okay, now I want to substitute here the dollar and on this one. Okay, so dollars, instead here I'm gonna substitute dollars with here the chances are dollars and euro. I don't think there is plural for euro. Then I'm gonna substitute this thing here. So I'm gonna substitute 100. Yeah, 100 with choice with a, yeah, this could go. And okay, replace string choice. I want to memorize this string choice to S2 with money. Okay, with the money. And then I gotta change this thing here. The choice, the third choice, that can be, let me say, 1.10, 1.2, and 0.99, and 1.3, and 0.98, and 1.05 and 0.85 and 0.08. Okay, then I wanna substitute and here before the exchange rate. Okay, now this change rate, it will be template n equal template n dot replace. I want to replace 1.10 with exchange, and exchange is a string choice. Well, let me say yes. Okay, string choice ch3. These are the money you change I'm gonna change the arrow to here when I exchange plus dollar. No, yes, plus val no plus val if val is equal this one if uh, val to be changed equal choice gh1. Money to get, let me call it money to get. So money to get, and okay, if money to get, it's equal to euro, else we will put the sign of the dollar. Okay, price exchange plus val. And this, I think we must put this one here. Money plus val plus a space and plus val. Okay, and there we go. So exchange rates. Let me see now. Text inserts. Okay, let me see if there is, if all else right until now. Generate how many dollars you can get for, we get how many euro. Yes, we must put the dollars here and the euro here. It's the opposite what I did. How many dollars you can get for 300 euros. Now we want to show also the results at the end here. Template, and it's equal template and plus result, and the result is equal to, okay, yeah, if now I must okay, result is int money multiplied for the int of the exchange, if it is in, if money to get, well, let me try it, I'm not sure, is euro, we will make the opposite, else it will be else int in money divided by int exchange, maybe, and let's see if it works. Invalid syntax, of course. Okay. Okay, result is equal in money exchange. If money get, it's equal euro. Oh, what is invalid literal for int with base 1.1. Okay, float. Invalid literal int base 0.85. Float. Oh yeah. Can only concatenate string, not float to string. So string. And let me result. And I need a plus here. Okay, how many dollars you, and then I must put okay, how many euro can I get for $355 at an exchange rate of 1.05? It's more, so it's wrong. 0.8, it's less. How many euro you can get for $800? No, this is right. Okay, from, if you have 5,000. Okay, let me check out. Okay, if I get $355 to have euro, I must divide 1.05, and so we don't, it's not right. If I got $800, yeah, to get euro, I should divide by 0.8, so it's not right. So I must do the opposite. So result is dollars. Let's go back and let me check out the result. Standard. Okay, 95. How many? These are dollars. So if I wanna get euro, I must divide by 1.05. It's equal 900. Okay, now we are good. I just want to make a round. I don't know if round. Okay, it's a built-in function here. For 2, let me go generate. Okay, 155. How many euro you can get for 100? And yeah, you get less euro because the euro it's more. How many dollars you can get for, okay, if it's 0.8, you got less dollars because the euro is less valuable. How many dollars you can get for 205? More dollars. Yeah, I think it's right. So yeah. Okay, now that it's done, I want to probably make it for something like 20 times, 20 of this, and the solution, I don't want the solution always, so what can I do is that this part here, I wanna solutions equal solutions plus equal result. Let's insert to the end solutions, and let me comment this one. No, let me comment this one. This is a number, so okay. And okay, string n plus string result. I want to put the number here and the little square brackets. Where is the number? Let me put another space here. Okay, there is 0, 1, and I must put the plus 1. Okay, and I want to also put a something like this. No, it's better, an equal sign. Okay, now I got the solution at the end. And now it's right. And that's all. And if you need now, you can just copy this, go into Word, post it, and print it, and there exchange rate exercises, right? And that's all. You may not give it this solution to the students. let me save it in my computer, and that's all. Okay, this could be your you print it, then you can create another page without the solution, and you can just go and print the first page for all your students, or you can just make them random for every student with different solutions so that they cannot copy. And so for example, you go here, create generate again, and copy it and make the solution number 2. Solutions 2. You could just cut this. Okay, and cut this at this point. Though not like this, of course. You insert a line like this to, well, you can cut it anywhere you want. Okay, this is solution 2, so you can remember that is this is linked to this exercise 2. This would be exercise 1. This is, we can just get rid of this. Exercise 1, exercise 2, and so on. But if you want to make something a little faster, you can do this as many times as you want. When you call test maker here, you could do, for example, if you got 24 students, for example, you can call another, let me do another function, and works for x in range 24 test maker. In here you can go works, and this should do, I think. Okay, now you get, but where are the solutions? Are all at the end. That could also be not so bad, but Yeah, because here I got this one. Okay, it does not perfectly. Perfectly fits the page because you should. This was better made in HTML, so so that I could put a break into its page. And we should here put solution, put a counter somewhere. Let me put a counter also. Okay, now we have associated the number in the solutions. We just need to fix here this stuff. We should print this as an HTML, but I need to modify the code here. It will take me something, and well, now I don't have time to do it. We'll think about next time. For the moment, we just want to go to the next line here. Go one by one. Yeah, right. If we did it in HTML, we could have or we could just make something very a little simpler. We just need to give another, well, let's do a temporary stuff here, and let's just add another of this here and see if it works. It's not so neat, but it will do the job, maybe. Yeah, with this simple space now we have all in the right position here. Let me just clear this. Now I got all my different things with different solutions, and okay, now I can print them. I can save it, and I get my different exercises for every student. Okay, that's pretty all. This is how I think we can do different exercises. You just now, if you don't want to let your students see the solution, you gotta cut these pieces and give them at the end to check if they've did it right, and that's all. Have a nice time with your exercises.